Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Netlify to build and publish UI previews step by step clearly. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Netlify website. If you already have an account, click on the login button at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials in the login form and click the login button. If you do not have an account, click on the sign up button and follow the prompts to create an account. Once you're logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. In your dashboard, locate and select the site you want to build and publish UI previews for. On the site's overview page, scroll down to the Deploy Settings section. Click on the Build and Deploy option to access the build settings. In the build settings, find the Continuous Deployment section. Here, you will see the deployment settings for connecting your Git repository. Choose the repository hosting service you are using, such as GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Authorize Netlify to access your repository by clicking the appropriate authorization button. You may be prompted to log in to your Git hosting service if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, grant the necessary permissions for Netlify to access your repositories. Select the specific repository you want to link to your Netlify site. After selecting your repository, click the Save button to confirm the integration. Next, navigate back to the Build Settings section to configure the build command. Enter the appropriate command for your project build process. In the Publish Directory field, specify the folder where your build files will be located. Click the Save button again to store your build command in Publish Directory settings. To deploy your changes, click the Deploy Site button at the top of the overview page. Once the deployment is completed, you will be able to see the live. To create a UI preview, push your changes to the connected branch in your Git repository. Netlify will automatically trigger a new build and deploy your updates. You can monitor the build process in the Deploys tab of your site. After the build is complete, access the preview URL provided by Netlify to review your changes. This completes the authorization and deployment process for building and publishing UI previews with Netlify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.